Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use SKT templates. These templates provide a fantastic foundation for your website, offering a wide range of pre-designed layouts. They help you launch a professional-looking site quickly, saving you significant time and effort. We'll cover everything from initial setup to advanced customization, ensuring you can tailor your site perfectly. Get ready to transform your web presence with ease and efficiency. Now, let's get your SKT template installed. First, download the template file from the SKT Themes website. Next, navigate to your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance, then Themes, and click Add New to upload your downloaded file. Once uploaded, activate the template to apply its design. Remember to install any recommended plugins. They often unlock the template's full potential and features, making your site even more robust. Customizing your SKT template is where your website truly comes to life. You can access most options through the WordPress theme customizer, allowing real-time previews of your changes. Easily modify colors, fonts, and background images to align with your brand's aesthetic. Utilize the integrated page builder to edit content and layouts with drag-and-drop simplicity. Don't forget to personalize your header and footer for a cohesive and professional look. To get the most out of your SKT template, consider these advanced tips. Importing demo content can jumpstart your site, providing a structured foundation to build upon. Always optimize your images to ensure fast loading times, which greatly improves user experience. Verify that your site is fully responsive, looking great on desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. Finally, keep your template and all plugins updated to maintain security and access the latest features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.